Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get free AI art generator using this website tensor.art. And this is not Midjourney guys, because as we all know, Midjourney is not free anymore. So this is completely free guys. So if you want to create AI art like this one, so all you have to do is go to this site. So as you can see, go over to tensor.art, and all you have to do is create a account here, and you will have 99 credits per day credits. And in here you can choose what models you like here depending on your uh, specifications. And all you have to do is click on run, and then here you can then create the prompt here and paste your prompt here or there. You can also uh, drag and drop an image for image to image, and you can also customize other options here. So if you want that, you can also navigate to here. It's up to you guys, you just have to explore this one. And for example, we want to create a random prompt like this one, and generate. And all you have to do here guys is wait for the process to finish. Okay guys, so once done you can now view it, and you can also download it. And as you can see, it will be depending on your prompt on what will the image will produce. So as you can see here, and you can also create your own here on the workspace and just adjust this as is guys. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.